Line of reasoning. First, ask yourself, why am I here? Second, why is there a here instead of nothing at all? Hebrew biblical scripture indicates a beginning initiated by God. Science more recently affirms a universe initiated from nothing. An event, call it creation, ex nihilo, that is Greek for something came from nothing, appears before us. We sit here in this room. It took an architect's mind to design this place. That means use of mind to produce information and to design a plan. Are we a result of something random, unguided, and by chance? Or, who designed us? We have highly specified complex information inside of us. Where did that come from? Science example. Look at one enzyme, a complex protein molecule made up of many amino acid molecules linked in a specific sequence that has a specific function. Each enzyme has what is called an active site that performs the enzyme's function. Some enzymes are called allosteric enzymes, which typically have multiple active sites located on different protein subunits. An active site, for example, is produced by the genome. Of the possible genes encoding protein chains 153 amino acids in length, only one in about 100 trillion is expected to encode a chain that folds well enough to perform a biological function. This is a quote from Douglas Axe, who in 2016 published this book, Undeniable: How Biology Confirms Intuition That Life is Designed. In other words, the chance of forming a functional active site is 1 chance in 10 raised to the 74th power. This site is just one part of the entire enzyme that also needs a particular 3-dimensional shape. So, put 74 zeros after a 1, and you can see the probability of the active site is essentially nothing. And remember, one expression is that our universe is made up of 10 to the 80th number of particles. Now that makes an interesting comparison. Further, be mindful that our bodies require some 1,300 types of enzymes, some with more than one active site. We also depend on a balance of multiple physiological, metabolic systems composed of enzyme functions, organs, and structure supporting life. Imbalance leads to death. The information represented by the genome, that is genetic information, has been demonstrated more and more to have purpose with little to no non-functional sequences. That is, there is no junk DNA. So, not only are proteins highly specified, but the genetic information required to make a protein is just as complex. Okay, so does life just originate by itself? Humans, many scientists, now realize that life cannot be created in a test tube. Chemicals required for life need a cell to be produced. The complexity of the chemistry of the cell includes examples of what is called causal circularity. This means all the components and all the chemicals must be present all at the same time, and cannot be derived on a partial basis in order to initiate life. The circularity is when the chemical being produced needs the same chemical in the production process. Think about that. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Origin of life. What about the origin of information making life? There are numerous other facets to understanding design that points back to a mind as the source of our being. Scripture simply indicates the word from God is the source. Words are information, and information comes from a mind. The Messiah is identified by Isaiah as Emmanuel, that is God with us. When Yeshua, Messiah, Jesus, is identified by John, the identification is simple. The Messiah is the Word. The mind of Adonai comes through this incarnate being. Again, in Scripture, the first Hebrew word is Berashit, meaning beginning. And the following text describes events that follow to make for the universe, earth, and life. What science does in recent time is to uncover multiple factors, evidence, and perspectives that indicate the universe, earth, and life are by design. Here is a listing of some categories of that support design and suggest the mind of designer is responsible. Human minds exceed all other species on Earth in the exhibit of composing music, mathematics, ability to investigate and research, create art forms, etc. The genetic code in organisms is highly specified and exhibits a complexity in the way this information is decoded and multiple ways it is read in the process of supporting life functions. The only known source for intelligible, functional information is a mind. The universe, Earth, and life all exhibit numerous examples of what is identified as fine-tuning. This evidence added together supports the concept of design. Our existence is not by chance. Several hours would be needed to describe all facets of fine-tuning. Irreducible complexity is exhibited by life in various ways. Information sequences, numerous molecular machines, bacterial flagellum, construction of the human eye, immune system, blood clotting pathway, and other examples that are appearing over time with new research findings. Bottom line is these are all or none. There must be all parts present to function, with no stepwise derivation leading up to such entities. Sudden appearance of life. Ediacaran-era life forms, Cambrian-era animals, insects, plants all come with supporting evidence for sudden appearance plus specified complexity with no antecedents. Developmental circuitry. In simple terms, we can use the electronic circuit board analogy to illustrate the hardwired process of human and animal life development. Each phase from fertilization to fetus is guided by a biological processor that directs birth of a being. Any impact that significantly deviates from the established biological circuitry leads to miscarriage. No mutations assumed to lead to a new type of an organism are thus feasible. Cells are integrated complex factories. Compartmentation, information housed and processed, chemical and energy production supported by molecular machines, for example, ATP synthase, ribosomes, enzymes, cell ultrastructure Darwin never knew. Chemistry inside a cell is immensely efficient, faster, and necessary for physiological function. All must be present all at once to make life, and cannot be likewise reproduced in a laboratory. Human being, looking at the numerous cells, tissues, organs, coordinated metabolism and physiology on a tissue to organ to whole body function reveals a balance of processes that support life. Not only is a medical perspective required to comprehend, but all systems reveal engineering and thus complex design. Too often this is just something assumed, but this fails recognition that humans are a complex, specified integration of systems that point back to the concept of intelligent design. Origin of life researchers are now faced with the reality that a primordial soup, a puddle on an open landscape of a primitive planet, various inputs like water, electric discharge, various atmospheric or aqueous chemicals all fail to support life by chance physical and material processes. All of the above factors, evidence, and perspectives from scripture and science both point to life and humanity as not by chance. And if not by chance, then by purpose and mind, which then presents the possibility life provides an opportunity. That opportunity is to address a question regarding the one whose mind created in the first place. Will you join the Creator in a relationship that leads to life beyond this life?